Coca-Cola cake is one of my favorite Southern recipes. It's so chocolatey and good. Mix 1 cup Coca-Cola with a half a cup of buttermilk. Then beat 1 cup of butter until creamy. Beat in 1 3/4 cups sugar, 2 eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. In a bowl, combine 2 cups flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Add the butter mixture in 3 additions, alternating with buttermilk mixture in 2 additions. Beat just until combined. Stir in 1 1/2 cups mini marshmallows, transfer to a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, and bake for 30 minutes. For the icing, heat a half cup butter, 1/3 cup of Coke, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder until the butter is melted. Remove from heat and whisk in powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Pour the icing over the cake and get ready to grab your piece fast because it will be gone in a hurry.